Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by x. Next, we have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that 1 over x next to y, that is for integrating factor with the positive sign here. We have L and S, and this one we have S. That means we multiply both sides by S. This one we have number 1. So we put the integration for the both sides. So we can apply about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So this one, that is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one we have ab. So the integration of that one we have sy. This one we have s to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. Later that we divide both sides by s. And here is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.